Hi all my crafty friends, and welcome back to Designs by Gaddis. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so glad you found my channel. Be sure to like this video and subscribe. By doing so, you will help others, just like yourself, be able to find my home decor DIY videos. Today I will be making this adorable faux wood farmhouse sign using a file I got from Design Bundles. If you have been following me for any length of time, you know I love their files and their bundles. I'll leave a link in the description for the file I used here. I used this Christmas sign from Dollar Tree. I turned it over and removed the residue from the back. I then used ivory chalk paint and painted the entire back and sides of the sign. For this sign, I only used one coat of paint, and I made sure all my paint lines were going in the same direction. I used a sanding block to rough up the paint a little and to give the sign more of a distressed look. I then used a pencil and a square and drew lines on the sign. I then used some gray chalk paint and painted the lines to make the sign look like painted wood boards. I also added smudges using the dry brush method for more of a realistic look. I then painted the entire sign with matte Mod Podge. I did this to see if the vinyl would stick better, and it did. I'm going to start doing this every time. I used my hot air gun to dry the Mod Podge. I cut and weeded the vinyl and used transfer paper to transfer the image to the sign. I then used a piece of black and white buffalo ribbon and inserted it into the holes that were already in the sign. I was going to add more to the sign, but decided I liked it just like this. If you wanted, you could add a bow and some florals to it, but I really just liked it being plain. This is a simple and easy project for any skill level. If you haven't already, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel. I upload weekly home decor DIY videos, and you know you don't want to miss any of them. So go ahead and hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. And as always, thanks for watching. Until next time, happy crafting!